Do you ever feel sudden lightning sharp cramps in your calves during dialysis? Today I'm showing you quick surprising hacks, from mustard spoons to pickle juice sips that can stop cramps dead in their tracks. Stick around, you won't want to miss these life-saving tips. Hi everyone, welcome back to Dialysis Warrior. I'm Colin, your host, and a Dialysis Warrior and advocate. Here we share the best tips to make dialysis life easier and better. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss a single episode. Dialysis cramps are sudden, involuntary muscle contractions, most often in calves, feet, or hands. They're common, happening in about 21 to 74% of sessions. They're caused mainly by rapid fluid and electrolyte shifts during dialysis, and often by drops in blood pressure or sodium, calcium, or magnesium levels. Other triggers include muscle fatigue, nerve issues, and poor circulation, especially in people with diabetes. When cramps hit during your session, the care team may give a fluid bolus, usually normal saline, to stabilize your blood pressure. They can also reduce the ultrafiltration rate so fluid removal is slower. They can cool the dialysate. This helps reduce blood pressure dips. They can apply heat or cold heating pads, hot baths, ice packs, or even menthol creams, and administer medications like L-carnitine, gabapentin, or calcium channel blockers, usually done carefully under medical supervision. At home or in clinic, you can try these: gentle stretching and self-massage for your calves before or during your treatment if you're able. Monitor your fluid gains. Avoiding large fluid removal in a single session helps prevent cramps. And stabilize your electrolytes. Talk to your care team about magnesium, calcium, and sodium levels. Some patients report turmeric, about 500 milligrams, stops cramps within 10 minutes. Now for a fun one, mustard and pickle juice. They contain acidic acid, which triggers a nerve reflex that relaxes overactive motor neurons, stopping cramps fast. Studies show about 75 milliliters, or around 2 ounces of pickle juice, stops cramps in roughly 85 seconds. That's equivalent to about 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. It's important to note though that pickle juice has high sodium and some potassium, so you should use small sips or packets of mustard to adjust your fluid goals. I've personally used mustard and it really does help. Here's what a few patients I have come across that have shared online that they've used. One patient reports that they rub the area with magnesium oil and drink pickle juice. Magnesium supplements help me a lot, they said. Another patient reported taking 500 milligrams of turmeric, which stopped the cramps within 10 minutes. Others say tonic water helps and mechanical relief from stepping on a chair footrest and putting pressure down. To keep cramps away, do daily stretching and strengthening exercises for calves and ankles. Discuss electrolyte supplements, especially magnesium and iron, with your care team. And you should work with your clinic staff to fine-tune your fluid removal plan. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Share your go-to cramp relief in the comments. Mustard, pickle juice, muscle massage? Let's help each other thrive. Thanks for watching, and here's to a cramp-free dialysis sessions. I'll see you in the next video.